Hello everyone. There is a literal rocket launch over here. You can see.
Okay.
You can see.
I'm gonna get us chairs.
Bro, it's so cool. Like, super cool. I would love it. You can see the trail. Yo, it's actually sick. Sorry, I don't have a tripod. I'm using a device, the iPad. Just look how sick it is. Oh, there it is. There it is.
I wonder why it's not going up. It's going like side.
No, it's because it's going like that around the edge.
Usually it's already up here.
It's somehow going over there, down there instead of up here, which is weird. I really think
Mama, by
that
the time you bring chairs, it's already over there. We can't even see it.
I already think it's gonna land back. I don't know, but bye everyone. See you later.